Hello children, in maths class till now we have learned addition on number line. Now today I am going to teach you horizontal addition by forward counting on fingers. Now what is horizontal addition? When the numbers which you have to add are given on a straight line, that is called horizontal. Let us take one example, 14 plus 4. These two numbers I have to add. You can see that the numbers are written in a straight line, so that this is called horizontal. Now 14 and 4 are the addends. These two are the numbers which I have to add and find out the sum, that is the answer of addition. So here the bigger number is 14. Number 14 is the bigger number. So I have to keep number 14 in my mind, and 4, which is a smaller number, that many fingers I will open and then find out the sum. So let us see. Keep number 14 in your mind and then open 4 fingers. Now, since we are doing here forward counting, forward means we have to move ahead. So here the number 14 which is in my mind, I will move after, I will go after or count after 14. That is number 15, 16, 17, 18. So here the sum is 18. The answer of this addition is 18. Now see the next sum. Here the two numbers which we are having, that is 3 and 11. I have to add these two numbers, or I can say that these two are the addends which have to be added and we have to find out the sum. Now here you can see that number 11 is the bigger number. So I will keep this number 11 in my mind and I will open 3 fingers and then I will count forward. That is count after 11, after number 11. So let us see that. Keep number 11 in your mind. Open 3 fingers. After 11 comes 12, 13, 14. So here the sum or the answer of this addition is 14. Now children, let us take the third sum. The third sum is number 18 and 1. We have two numbers, number 18 and number 1. These two are the addends which I have to add. Now we can see that number 18 is greater. We know that number 18 is greater and 1 is smaller. So here I am going to keep number 18 in my mind and I will open one finger and then I will count forward. So let us see number 18 in your mind. Open one finger. Now after 18 comes 19. So here the sum or the answer of this addition is number 19. Let us take another example. Fourth sum. We have next number 4 and 12. Here 12 is the bigger number, so I will keep number 12 in my mind and I will open 4 fingers and then count forward. So let us take number 12. Let us keep number 12 in our mind. Open 4 fingers. After 12 comes 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is the sum or the answer of this addition. Let us take another sum. Fifth one. Here we have two numbers, two addends, that is 4 and 10. These two are the addends. And we know that 10 is greater than number 4. So here 10 I will keep in my mind and open 4 fingers and then I will count forward. So 10 in my mind, open 4 fingers. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is the sum or the answer of this addition. Let us take one more, sixth one. Now here I have number 12 and number 2. Since 12 is the greater number, so I will keep 12 in my mind and I will open 2 fingers. So keep 12 in mind and open 2 fingers. Now count after 12, that is 13, 14. So here 14 is the sum or the answer of this addition. Now children, let us see downward addition. Downward means here the numbers will be one below other. So we have two places here, tens place and ones place. The first number is 9 and the next number is 4. These two are the numbers or the addends which we have to add and find out the answer. Now children, here these two numbers 9 and 4, you can add by drawing the objects. You can draw any objects of your favorite thing, like you can draw any fruit, you can draw anything, whatever you like. So first you will draw 9 objects, and then you will draw 4 objects, and then you have to count them all together to find out the sum of these two addends. So let us see. Let us draw something. I have drawn here apples. So 1 apple, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have drawn 9 apples. Now I have to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have drawn 9 apples and 4 apples. 9 apples and 4 apples. I have to count them all together. Now all together how many apples are there? Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So altogether there are 13 apples. So I will write here 1 tens and 3 ones. 13 means, number 13 means 1 tens and 3 ones. So 13 is the answer or the sum of this. Now children, let us take another sum. We have 7 ones and 1 tens. Here the first number is 17, means 1 tens, 1 tens and 7 ones means 17. Now let us see what is our next number. The next number is 1. So here I have to add number 17 and number 1 and find out the sum. So this we can do by drawing the objects. Now we see here that below tens, below T, we have number 1. Below T, I have number 1. 1 tens means 10. This is 10. 1 tens means 10. The value of this 1 is 10. So I can do this by drawing any object in the collection of 10. Like this. You can see here this block, and you can see that this full complete block has 10 boxes. 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This complete block is made up of 10 boxes. So it is 1 tens. We can say that it is 1 tens. Now there are 7 ones. So I will draw 7 blocks separately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 ones. Now I also have 1 ones which I have to add with 17. So I will draw one block or one oval I have drawn here. Now we will count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 means 1 tens. This is 1 tens. Now after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here the answer is 18. 18 means 1 tens and 8 ones. The answer or the sum of this addition is 18. 1 tens and 8 ones. Let us take one more example, children. We have tens and ones places and 1 tens, 4 ones. So I have number 14 and number 4. I have to add these two numbers and find out the sum. Here also children, I have 1 tens. So I can draw 1 tens means there will be one block which will be having 10 parts, and 4 ones, 4 separate blocks. So I can draw this like this. One block having 10 parts, and then one, here I've drawn apple. I've taken apple, 2, 3, 4 apples, and then the next number which is to be added with number 14 is number 4. So now I will draw 4 objects. So let us draw 1 apple, 2, 3, 4. Now I will count them all together. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here the sum is 18. 18 means 1 tens and 8 ones. 18 is the sum of this addition.